In this video, we are going to learn how to create a batch for any of your courses on the Yuno platform. First, we need to log into the Org Admin dashboard and navigate to Batches from the left menu. If we have published at least one course, we will notice that there is a Create Batch button in the top right corner. We can just click on it once. Next, we need to select the course for which we want to create the batch. Once the course is selected, it will take us to a page where we can fill in other details for the batch. First, we need to provide the name of the batch, anything that'll help us easily refer to the batch later. For example, we can use a combination of the days and time of the batch to give it a name, like MWF 5 p.m. or TTS 9 p.m. Then we can select the personalization of the batch, whether it is group or one-to-one. Once we select that, we need to select whether the mode of teaching for this batch is only online, only in person, or both, i.e. hybrid. It is important to decide this before creating the batch because if it's only online, all classes scheduled for the batch will be held in your organization's preferred virtual classroom. If it's only in person, we'll need to provide the place for the batch. All classes scheduled for the batch will mandatorily be at that place. If it's hybrid, all classes scheduled for the batch will mandatorily have both options, virtual classroom as well as at that place. After choosing the teaching mode, we need to choose when we expect the batch to start. Now, we need to select the days of the week when the classes for this batch will take place. For example, we can choose Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Then, we need to set the start time of the class for this batch. For example, 5 p.m. Next, we need to select the duration of each class in this batch. So classes for this batch will be held on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays of each week at 5 p.m. Here, we can also set the maximum number of learners we want in this batch. We will also notice an option called Lock this batch. If we lock a batch at any time, no more enrollments can happen even if there are vacant seats available. We can skip this for now while creating a new batch. After filling in all the details, we can click on Next. Here, we need to select the instructor who'll be teaching this batch. We can select them from the list. Then, we click on Next. Now we can verify if all the details are correct. If everything is okay, we can click on Create Batch. We will get a prompt saying, Batch created successfully. Now that the batch is created, we will be able to see it under the Batches section. We can start taking new enrollments for this batch, and the instructor can now schedule classes.